Across all generations, humans have shared the same fascination for the unknown. Every new horizon is both an inspiration and a challenge to us. We are courageous discoverers and tireless builders of our dreams. As great as our curiosity is our desire for security and permanence, for living spaces that offer us protection and at the same time allow us to enjoy the wonders of the world. No material satisfies this deep-seated desire better than glass. Whatever we're building, wherever our curiosity leads us, glass is all around us today. For over 100 years, we have let ourselves be inspired by this timeless material and have developed innovative glass solutions for all living spaces and areas of life. From modern living concepts to bold hallmarks of breathtaking feats of engineering at dizzying heights. Our company's history is characterized by a love for craftsmanship, quality, and constant product innovations. That is also the history of glass and its development into one of the most modern materials available today. Our beginnings go back to 1905, when in a small cellar, Johann Friedrich Trösch developed a groundbreaking process for permanently transferring images to glass. A generation later, his son Rudolf Friedrich expanded the family business with a glass grinding shop, and in 1938 he established the public company that exists today. With brothers Erwin and Heinz Trösch of the third generation, the company moved into the modern era. Completely newly developed insulating glass and glass processing machines from Bützberg penetrated the market. With Erich Trösch, the representative of the fourth generation, the first float glass plant was opened in 1995. Today, several thousand employees work on big, unique projects. They are instrumental in making Glas Trösch a dynamic family business, focused on the manufacture and processing of glass. We produce sheet and coated glass, facade and roof glazing, fire-resistant and acoustic glass, as well as safety glass, and use them to create unique living and work environments. In addition, we protect the people aboard helicopters, airplanes, motor vehicles, and trains. Our supply chain begins with our own glass production plants and the resulting independence in our supply of raw materials. In our manufacturing facilities, some of which are almost 1 kilometer long, we produce 300,000 square meters of float glass a day. That is equal to the area of over 42 soccer fields. This is also where the journey into the fascinating world of glass begins. Quartz sand, soda ash, dolomite, other raw materials and clean glass fragments are melted at 1550 degrees centigrade into a liquid mass, which glides on a long tin bath like oil on water, slowly cools and solidifies into flat glass. 365 days a year, 24 hours a day. Controlled by a sophisticated logistics system and transported by special trucks, the flat glass is delivered in time and as needed to the processing plants of our customers throughout Europe. For example, to one of our magnetron coating plants. Here, our high vacuum line finishes the flat glass with razor-thin silver coatings. Thanks to these coatings, our triple insulated glass insulates in a highly efficient manner, drastically lowering heating energy consumption as well as CO2 emissions. State-of-the-art production facilities, precise processing steps and stringent quality checks result in technologically advanced insulating glass that ensures cozy living spaces and a sustainably positive energy balance for our customers. Our silver coatings not only provide protection against the cold and against heat loss. Depending on their composition, they have a fascinating range of functional and performance features. They protect against intensive solar radiation, prevent condensation from forming and the outer pane from becoming foggy, or they give us views completely free of irritating reflections. Because protection and safety are a basic human need, we also produce high-quality laminated safety glass from our basic glass. From tear-resistant special films and glass of varied thickness, we create safety glass that is impact-resistant, burglary-resistant, and bulletproof. To us, glass is not only about function, but also about design, aesthetics, and attitude towards life. Because it allows multifaceted processing, glass offers almost unlimited interior design possibilities, whether clear, colored, or printed. Together with our customers and partners at our interior design centers, we create glass applications for kitchens, bathrooms, living rooms, office spaces, public buildings, the catering trade, and the health sector. Glass lives and enlivens. Due to its transparency and airiness, it creates unique living environments in which the play of light becomes part of the architecture and in which we feel comfortable. In addition, our highly automated production facilities use thin glass laminates to make latest generation technical glass for our customers to be used for reflection-free displays and surface-finished touchscreens. Thanks to the unique quality and performance features of our technical glass, we've numbered among the preferred partners in the areas of laboratory and medical technology, consumer electronics, and the automobile industry. From cars to high-speed trains or airplanes, we realize solutions based on glass, polycarbonate, and acrylic, from prototypes to production models. Top quality, precision, and the many years of experience of our committed employees are only a few of the reasons why we enjoy the trust of our customers worldwide today. Especially when safety is of the utmost importance and optimal visibility under extreme stresses is essential. Our interdisciplinary research teams, innovative engineering, state-of-the-art production facilities, and demanding quality and safety checks allow us to develop unique glass solutions in all company departments quickly and in a customer-oriented manner. The world around us is constantly changing, including the world of glass. New technologies are not only creating unforeseen possibilities, they're also constantly presenting new challenges to our engineers and the versatile material of glass. Whether ambitious, pioneering glass structures in architecture, intelligent facades that generate power, special high-tech glass that helps to protect birds, or latest generation safety glass that opens up entirely new spaces and vistas. We are ready to continue facing the future with inspiration, creativity, and innovative strength. As a dynamic family business working with timeless glass, we're also proud to create lasting living environments that provide protection and improve quality of life, while also allowing us to be amazed and inspiring us to dream. Because there is no older material that is more modern and future-proof than glass.